Money is the big issue. We suddenly see the people we're phoning have money, and because they have money, now suddenly have they more power than me. And so you don't talk to them like you talk to someone normally. You start to put them on a pedestal, and you start to want to impress them, you start to want to like them, and you change how you speak. Whereas I just talk to people as if they're my equal. They're never my better. No matter how shitty my day's been, they're still my equal. And I'm not here to try and get a meeting. I'm just here to figure out if you suffer from problems I fix and want to explore it. I'm not here to get everyone to say yeah. It's not a Darren Brown trick. Look into my eyes, look into my eyes. You know, I want the right people in front of me. 90% of people you talk to aren't right for you now. I'm after the 10% that are, because that's where the money is. It's what's called prospecting. You know, if gold mining was just washing dirt off gold, it would be fucking easy. It's not. It's not washing dirt off gold. It's washing loads and loads and loads of dirt for a tiny little bucket at the end, but it's worth a lot. But so much work, so much frustration, so many machines breaking, weather, the whole thing's fucking tough, but it's worth it for that little pot.